Crunchyroll came to India with the right tool. Popular anime title dubbed in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, even plans for bigger Bengali, Marathi, Kannada. On paper, it looks like a win. But in reality, the Indian anime boom is happening without Crunchyroll leading it. So, what went wrong? Why are Indian fans still ignoring official dub? Why are regional audience still disconnecting from anime even in their own language? Let's dig into Crunchyroll, India's problem, and many ways they have fumbled the opportunity. When Crunchyroll entered the Indian market, seriously fans were excited. Official dubs in Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, big titles like JJK, Demon Slayer, My Hero Academia, fast streaming, simulcast, legal access, no more going to the shitty websites. But execution, that's where things started falling apart. Here's the irony. Crunchyroll dubbed anime in Indian languages but didn't market it to the Indian language speakers. No TV ads, no mass reach campaign, no school, college tie-ins. The outreach to people who watch content only in Hindi, Telugu or Tamil, instead they market this dub to the same weebs otaku who are already used to watching these animes in Japanese audio with English subtitles. So tell me, why could these people care about a Tamil dub? They already prefer original Japanese anyway. If you really wanted to see anime marketed right in to Indian audience, look at Sony A. They knew the target. Kids who watch in Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Bengali. They air on TV. They use a local VS styles, exaggerated humor, catchy line. They didn't push for anime elitism. They focus on mass acceptance. And yes, even if dub wasn't perfect, it was approachable. There is a big mental block in India. Animation is equals to cartoon is equals to kid. That perception still dominates, and Crunchyroll had a chance to change it. But they never tried to challenge the stereotype. Instead of showing anime as emotional, mature, powerful storytelling, they tried to show off how many languages they had, not why people should care. They took Bollywood celebrities as anime ambassadors, but those actors didn't even answer basic anime questions in interviews. That doesn't build trust. That tells the audience even your ambassador didn't take it seriously. Why should we? Now, let's talk about the biggest failure, the actual dubbing. Ask anyone who heard the dub and you'll hear the same problem. Voice feel robotic, emotions are missing, lip syncing is off, lines feel like direct translation, not natural dialogues. They're trying to mass produce dub, not create quality. And this makes a huge chunk of people think ये regional dub तो बेकार है, असली Japanese and English ही है. Crunchyroll had a chance to break that stigma, but instead they solidify it. By doing the bare minimum, they prove the doubters right. Here's the core question Crunchyroll didn't ask. Who are we dubbing this for? Weebs don't want Hindi dub. Newcomers who want Hindi dub don't even know Crunchyroll exists. This is the classic case of building a bridge that connects nobody. Instead of building the anime audience in India, they just fed content to the same online fandom that was already consuming Japanese sub. Crunchyroll can still turn this around, but only if they stop chasing number and start building community. Here what they should do. Hire experienced dubbing director with freedom to adapt scripts naturally. Partner with local YouTubers, creator, even meme pages to build cultural hype. Make free content campaign like short episodes in regional languages for YouTube. Promote anime as mature, powerful storytelling like Demon Slayer, Your Name, Assassin's Creed. Don't just translate, localize and respect the emotion, tones and culture. And most importantly, stop treating Indian dubs as an afterthought. They can be legendary if you put the effort. We have watched many Hindi dub shows which are legendary, not done by Crunchyroll, but we know Hindi dubs can be legendary. What do you think? Do you watch anime in regional dubs, or do you avoid them because they are still not good enough? Do you think Crunchyroll is just ignoring real Indian audience? Let me know in the comment. And if you want a world where Indian anime dubs are actually respected, maybe it's time we demanded better, not just more.